And I got it.
Good thing.
I'm not sure if you did, your camera's looking up a fair bit.
Just adjusting.
Right? Probably better, yeah.
Come on, someone help him.
I'll help him. I'll just go, Sandy. We only have 4 drive.
Yeah, I've got one.
I got the camera, mate. I can't.
Go by feel. Let a little bit out. Yeah, watch how I skate, mate. I don't have a full press skate on. Stop gripping, I'll let them out. Yeah, I would have flew it. I've bit of fire on.
He's dug quite a hole here now.
I know.
You made that hard for yourself, Fab.
I know.
I gave you some instructions.
Fab loves to dig holes.
He does the camera.
Yeah.
Yeah, camera hog.
He was never allowed to dig holes when he was a kid. Lift it out. Lift it out. It's making the hole deeper. Put it in the rail. Come up here, Fab.
You got one sign up there, one up there.
Yeah, when you go, you're going to have to go.
Yeah. Oh.
If you got to go, you've got to go.
You go.
You've got
to
to
go.
go.
Go! All go. Really? Next time.
Yeah. Now this is where you get your camera out.
Have you got that Steve on camera?
Go get my camera out quick enough. Get on.
Koala bear!
Someone take a photo.
Have we got a photo?
I'm filming.
Oh, you're filming?
Koala bear.
Make sure your legs are the way. Yep. I think you just pull it up.
Pull it off while you're there, Fab.
Try again.
Yeah, try again.
Yeah, try again, Fab. That'll be more fun.
Try again, are you?
Because he gives me a rest.
And the other thing too, Howard, is you know, it doesn't matter what you do.
More throttle and then you back off once you're halfway.
And then throw it at the last minute.
No, man. Throw yourself with it.
Same, but same.
You going to try there, right?
Or up that little gully. Have you going to try that gully?
Give him the finger. There you go. Which way are you going to go? There or?
Go up. One more go. You should do it, Kat.
Who's garden hose?
so much. Just take time.
How's your brain?
How's your back?
Yeah.
Who said that? Howard.
Yeah. Totally lived up to it, I reckon. Oh, that's the best one ever. I said, how's his fries? And she goes, reputation's intact.
Come on, pup. What have you done?
You adjusted something?